Are you ready for the Father's Day challenge, Dad?
I'm ready, let's do it. Yeah, me too.
The first challenge is hot versus cold challenge.
Hot versus cold challenge?
That sounds interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, I got hot.
That means my dad got cold.
I'm ready, bring out my hot food. Yeah, bring out my frozen food.
Since you got the hot challenge, you get to eat spicy buffalo wings.
With the whole bottle of hot sauce.
Those wings are way too spicy.
Good luck with that.
Don't laugh at him, Dad. You're gonna get the frozen burger combo.
Oh, what?
Good luck to you too. This looks so spicy, but I can't lose. Oh my gosh, this is so hot. This is burning my lips.
Oh, everything's so cold. Oh, look at this. Even the ketchup is frozen. Oh, the burger's covered in frost. How can I eat it? Dang, it's so frozen. I can't even bite it. Oh, it's too frozen. I'm gonna try my fries. Oh, my tooth. Oh, it's cold.
It's too spicy, I can't eat anymore.
It's too cold. I can't do this.
Congratulations, Dad. You guys both get the point. Good job on the last challenge, Dad.
The next challenge is you have to cook spaghetti for both of us.
Cooking challenge. Have you ever cooked, Tony?
No, I never have. Have you?
No.
All right, good luck, Dad.
Okay. I think my wife always adds oil when she's boiling the noodles. Here's the oil.
It's too light. Needs more salt. I think that's enough salt.
Ew, what is that?
Hey, why is there so much oil in this?
Oh my gosh, it's so salty. I can't eat this.
How does it taste?
It's good, right? We spent all day doing it.
I can't hurt my dad's feelings.
Me neither. They look so happy. Yeah, it's great.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yes, I knew it. Awesome.
We're good cooks.
1 point for Dad Tony and 1 point for Dad Max.
I'm stronger than you.
I'm stronger than you.
I'm gonna win.
I cannot let you win.
Dad, what are you doing?
Why are you guys always fighting?
I want to show that I'm stronger than him.
No, I'm stronger than you.
If you want to know who's stronger, we have a challenge for you.
Yeah, break this apple using only your hands.
Huh?
Break an apple?
Yeah, Dad, let me show you how to do it. Put your 2 thumbs on the top of the apple and break it like this. See? Easy peasy.
You think you can do that?
Yeah, if my daughter can do it, I can do it.
Yeah, me too.
Alright, then let the challenge begin. Here's your apple.
Oh my gosh, this is so hard. I can't do it.
How did my daughter do it so easy? This is so hard.
How can I break this?
Who's stronger?
I thought you guys said it was easy. Why can't you do it?
How did she do it so easy?
I don't know. I give up.
Me too.
Both dads failed this challenge.
No one gets points, and I guess Amy's the strongest.
Okay, daughters, we're ready for our next challenge.
What is it?
Calm down, Dad.
The next challenge is the Faster Eater Challenge.
Whoever finishes their plate first wins.
The fastest eating challenge?
Fastest eating? I'll win this one.
Nah, I'll win.
We'll see. Here you go, Dad.
Go, Dad, go!
You got this, Dad. Faster!
Done. I win, I win.
Oh man, I lost.
Congratulations, Dad Tony. You got 1 point.
And I'm sorry, you didn't get a point, Dad Max. Okay, Dad, the last challenge is the
Stylist Challenge.
Stylist challenge?
So, we're going on double dates with our boyfriends.
And whoever picks the cutest outfit for us wins.
Double dating?
Your boyfriend? Okay, I know what to do.
Me too. Oh, they're dating without our permission?
Okay, let's surprise them with something bad. I'll choose this dress.
And I'll take these.
Okay, daughters, we're ready.
Try these on.
Oh, this looks good.
Yeah.
Are you sure, Dad?
It looks too old.
Oh, you guys don't know about fashion?
Yeah, just try it. Trust me.
Okay, Dad.
Let's try it on.
I look so old, Dad. I look like your grandma.
But you like it, right?
Yeah, you look nice.
Oh, it's so ugly, but I can't hurt my dad's feelings on Father's Day.
Me neither. Yeah, we like it.
Yeah, it's really cute.
Woo! We both get points.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Dad Tony. Your final score is 4 points.
And Dad Max, you got 3 points.
That means Dad Tony wins. Here's your trophy.
Thank you so much. I love you, daughter.
I feel so bad. I lost the challenge.
Don't feel bad, Dad. Even if you didn't win the challenge, you still get a trophy.
Oh, really? World's greatest dad? Thank you, daughter.
Congratulations. Now we both have trophies.
Yeah.
Hi, everyone. Did you guys enjoy watching our Father's Day challenge video?
Comment your favorite challenge below.
See you in the next video.
Happy Father's Day.